Hello, everyone. Sam here from creativetradingsystems.com, making this video about the last week, not this current week, but the last week, starting from the 4th of April, ending for 8th of April. All right, so let's get started. This is the first trade on the 4th. You can see that my order here, the yellow mark here, and then SL is, moved to break even, and here you'll see the entry. Entry is always by the book, by the setup. When I have 4 conditions met, then I pull the trigger. If not, no, I don't go here short. No. Either this was a perfect entry, this was the entry, and this is the entry. So this is the one I took it and I'm showing you. So this is EURAUD 20-minute chart, and this is EURNZD for 90 pip, same setup, right? And this one on the 4th, Euro Aussie, I just showed you. This is the one, and then maybe not. That was last week, I guess. So 150 pip from here to here. Pound Aussie, 100 pip. This is same setup again, right? That's how you're gonna see same setup. And this one is just the opposite, the long one. This indicates all the way down, and yellow is above the black. I mean, I have 4 conditions. When I see all those, then I have an alarm that beeps, and then give me a notice that yes, there is a setup building, so I can just take a look and then open my trade manually. So this is for 90 pip on the 4th, and here on the 5th, pound Nuzi, again, same thing, and for 115 pip. Sometimes here, for example, if I had taken this one, right, and it goes against me, I lose here 20-25 pip, but then I take the second entry and come out with 115. So it's no use to show my losers. There are very few, and the most I can lose in a trade is 25 pip, because my SL is, let me just show you. Okay, here, for example, this one, right? So I open a trade here after a couple of blue candles, and my SL is right behind the low, which is always 25 pip, 25, 24, 26, something like that. So if it goes against me, this is how much I'll, right? But sometimes what happens is that I make an entry from, for example, long here, it goes up, I come and sit on a break even, it comes out and take my SL at break, I mean, no loss, right? Break even, right? So I don't make anything, lose anything. That's why I don't show those. It's no use, because it's a lot of work to make this chart. So I don't want to waste my time showing my losers where I don't lose anything, right? SL hit at break even. Sometimes when the price moves a little bit, I come and sit on a 15 pip, let's say, right? 15 pip risk, and then the price comes down, hit my SL, I lose 15 pip. Sometimes 10, sometimes 15. The most in a trade I can lose is 25 pip. But you can see my runners, how much they give me. This is the videos about the system. Look at this one, 105 pip. This was a trade, and I showed you. This was the trade. I closed it at 58.20, and then again, second entry, boom, to the downside. And here, see? Now, this one also, this was a long that I took, and then it came down and hit my SL on break even. The second entry goes for 120. Pound CAD, sell order 85 pip. On the 5th, USD yen, all yen pairs, you will see they're going up because, excuse me, because of the yen weakness. So 110 pip from here all the way. This one, I did not move my SL because I was sleeping or something. I wasn't available. So it came down very close, very close to my SL, but I didn't hit it, and then it went up. Like I said, all yen pairs were going up. Pound Aussie, beautiful entry, never looked back, and then went up to 100 pip. All right, so these are the few trades. I think like 12, 13 trades compared to the last week was like almost 20, 25 pip, 24 or 25 trades. But yeah, that it will be start a couple of big weeks, and after that you have week or two slowly. So right now we are seeing a slow week now. So far I have 5-6 trades. So, but there's another reason I'm not very active this week because of fasting and all that. It's a month of Ramadan going on, so not very active on trading for now. So this is how it is, and just wanted to share with you guys. And let me just give you the USD lookout setup here. This is what I'm expecting, and oh, hold on. This is a weekly chart. This weekly chart is right here at 50%. And I've been making this chart for, I made this chart almost a month ago that, these are the couple of targets that we are going for, either 50% or if we go above 0219, then, and if we break the 50%, we'll be definitely going for 61%, which is 0698. If we stay below here, then start to make the turn to the downside below 0219, then we might be making a turn. And another, a move down to 0129 will make the reversal. All right, so USD has what? 7 different pairs. So if USD start dropping, USD will be getting weaker. And then 4 of these pair, EURAUD, Pound USD, Euro USD, Aussie USD, and Aussie USD will go up, and USD CAD, USD Yen, and USD Franc will be coming down if this thing makes the turn right from here. If it goes to the upside, just the opposite, and then it will make the turn later on. So I'll be, watching it, and this is how it looks like on the monthly chart. See that this is like harmonic pattern, perfect calculation. If you pull the fib, the 61%, and then I'm expecting 23% line hit for the point C, which will be ideal situation. But even if it makes the turn from here, it will be a perfect, Gertley pattern calculation. It's not completed. I always, this is my invention, that I always trade these pairs. I pinpoint what is going on, and then I trade all of these legs, especially from B to C and then C to D. Forget about from D to whatever, right? So I go inside these patterns and inside the Elliott wave and trade them very nicely with this my system, trading IB system, right? So this is how it is. And if you like what you saw, you want to be a part of it, you want to get the system, go on my website, creativetradingsystems.com, and subscribe. Okay, and if you in need of a learning completely, from A to Z about the Forex business, then I have one-on-one course over there as well, where I teach over the Zoom, almost 8 to 10 hour course over the Zoom. Each, not in one time, but obviously 1 hour session. Yeah, you become master of all this mumbo jumbo, Elliott wave, harmonic pattern, SNL level, trend line, channels, blah, blah, blah. All right, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful rest of the trading week, which is one more day.